Supabase versus FastAPI. Which backend solution is better? Choosing the right backend solution can completely change how you build and scale your applications without wasting time on complex setups. We'll explore Supabase and FastAPI briefly. Supabase and FastAPI are powerful backend options but serve different needs. Supabase is a backend-as-a-service platform offering ready-to-use database and authentication features, while FastAPI is a modern Python framework focused on building fast, customizable APIs from scratch. Supabase is an open-source backend-as-a-service platform that provides a complete backend out of the box. It offers a hosted PostgreSQL database, real-time subscriptions, authentication, storage, and auto-generated APIs. Supabase works by connecting your front-end directly to manage back-end services, eliminating the need to build server-side logic manually. Its strengths lie in rapid development, ease of use, and seamless integration with modern front-end frameworks. Developers benefit from built-in user management and real-time data updates without managing infrastructure. However, Supabase can be limiting if you require complex custom business logic or want full control over back-end behavior, as it abstracts much of the server-side code. It is ideal for startups, MVPs, and teams who want to launch quickly with minimal back-end setup while still having scalability options through PostgreSQL. FastAPI is a high-performance Python web framework designed for building APIs with speed and flexibility. It leverages Python-type hints to provide automatic validation, serialization, and interactive API documentation. FastAPI works by allowing developers to write backend code explicitly, giving full control over routing, authentication, and database interactions. Its strengths include blazing fast performance, asynchronous support, and extensive customization options. FastAPI is perfect for projects that demand tailored backend logic, complex workflows, or integration with existing Python ecosystems. The main limitation is that it requires more setup and backend development expertise compared to managed platforms like Supabase. Developers must handle database connections, authentication, and deployment themselves. FastAPI suits experienced developers and teams building scalable custom APIs, where control over every detail is critical. Supabase and FastAPI cater to different backend needs. Supabase excels when you want to launch quickly with minimal backend code, thanks to its managed database authentication and real-time features. It's ideal for projects where speed and simplicity matter more than deep customization. FastAPI, on the other hand, shines when you need full control over API behavior, complex business logic, or asynchronous capabilities. It requires more development effort but offers unmatched flexibility and performance. For example, a startup building an MVP might choose Supabase for rapid deployment, while an enterprise with complex data workflows may prefer FastAPI. Supabase abstracts infrastructure management, reducing operational overhead, but limits backend customization. FastAPI demands more backend expertise and maintenance, but empowers developers to tailor every aspect of their API. Choosing between them depends on your project's scale, technical skills, and customization needs. Choose Supabase if you want a fast, easy-to-use backend with built-in database and authentication, perfect for MVPs and small to medium projects. Opt for FastAPI if you need a highly customizable, high-performance backend with full control over your API logic. It's the best fit for complex applications and teams with Python expertise aiming for scalability and flexibility in backend development.